Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Casey Kelly. Today video I'm so happy to show you what I've got from Perfect Home. So as I needed two TVs so badly, my kids was asking if I can get them a TV and put it in their room. So guys, I didn't have money. I was like, let me just try this, and then I just tried getting now and then pay later. So ooh, look what I've got. So this video for a person or somebody who needs something for their house so badly, for emergency or something, like you don't have money and you really need it. So this video is for you guys. If you need a TV, you need a cooker, you need a washing machine, you need anything, you need chairs, you know, you can just go to Perfect Home and then register yourself and get anything you want. So you just get it from Fairness and you choose how much you're going to be paying weekly or monthly. So this is what I got, guys. I choose to be paying for those two TV, the big ones. Can you see the size of it? So I choose to be paying £18 a week. So I didn't pay anything, so I just choose to be paying £18 a week. And then this is what I got, guys. I'm so happy. You can get this from Perfect Home. Perfect Home. So if you don't have anything, you need something like, you know, your TV is broken, your cooker is not working, your washing machine is not working, anything that you want, guys, this is the way you can get it, especially if you don't have money and you really need it. So this is the best way to get it done. Mbote na mnenyo so bola na poko lelo na za sune sengo ya ko like sabino sit oboko kiko zwa eloko oza na ngo posa so oza na mbongo te dans video o eza pona bato o bazake emsusu oza na mbongo ya ko bimisa te po somba emsusu TV osomba resho osomba biloko nyosa tu ya ndaku oza na ngo besoin. So oza na mbongo te okoki kozwa oyo okoki kozwa TV, okoki kozwa nyonso lingi ozo futa ndam don na olakisa bino o nga na zwi tellement bana bazo senga mikolo nyonso baza na posa ba TV na chambre na tia ba TV na chambre toza pe na makambo ebele fo kosomba. Donc namonaki moyen na futa mbongo mbala moko eza te mpona ba TV mibale boye. Ale na zwi kaka nazo futa muke donc na futi eloko moko te. Na zwi yango après na chaki ke na bono futa 18 livres na semaine. Donc delivery eye lelo nde bomona ba TV mibalo ya minene. Ozui ozo futa ka malembe yo moko oponi prix na yo o moni ke eza bien pour na yo ozo futa malembe. Donc nganya sa mibalo 18 livres na semaine. Imagine, hein? Imagine, can you imagine? Donc ozana posa ya eloko nyonso tu ba kiti ya ndaku ozwi na yo. Donc kombo ya site oyo eza Perfect Home. Perfect Home. Perfect. Ozwi biloko nyonso tu olingi ekozala ya 1000 livres, ekozala ya 2000, ekozala ya 5000 oponi kaka ata kutu kombo na yo esi ebeba. So kombo ebeba limite naza si okozwa ya 1000 livres. So yeah, this is it and I'm so happy, guys. Naza pena na sengo ya koleka na chela bana na TV na ba chambre ale ba enjoy et ça la rappelle moi bien un mot bana ba fanika na chambre na bango ba ota na bango TV. It's really good, guys. So try it if you need it. Try it. If you can't, if you try, you don't know how to do it, just text me or email me, just you know, or you can call me as well, because I did put my number down there. You can call me as well. So just to ask, I'll be able to explain. So ki omeki omonike esimbite ou bien ozana besoin ya help okoki ko benganga ou bien okomeli ngai na ko zala wana pona ko ede bino po bosala ndenge nga na sala ki po ozwa eloko nyonso tu oza nango besoin ezalaka pe mwa bien boye etikali siko nazwa moko po na chambre na nga. So guys, for the people that have bad credit So you can still get something for £1,000. I think the limit is £1,000 for, yeah, £1,000. So for the people that your name is really good, so you can get up to 5,000, you know, just depends on you what you want to get. So guys, thank you. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. I'll be happy. Thank you guys. So sepele na video oyo, abonnez-vous. Sepele na video, like, share and subscribe. Merci na bino nyonso tu bolandi, nzambe apambola bino. Thank you for you guys. May God bless you all. So yeah, thank you. See you later. Bye bye.